Here is how to check MongoDB query performance. The easiest way to do it is using MongoDB Compass. First, let's connect our project. And I have here shirt database, and I have stocks as my collection. And we will enter our query. Okay, let's find this SKU. Okay, let's type SKU. It will be S1002. And let's click explain. And you can see here that it only has 0 millisecond execution time. And you can see here under query performance summary your query performance. So this is how you will check MongoDB query performance.